Hello everyone, let's introduce these 4G pet personal trackers to you. Please open the side lid first. Insert the SIM card. Note the chip face down. Then push the card with tweezer. Press the iOS button for 3 seconds to turn on the device until you see the LED flashes. 3 green lights means searching the GPS signal, 3 blue lights means searching the 4G signal. Both blue and green LED will turn off when the device has got 4G signal and GPS positioning. The red LED will flash when charging, will turn off when full charging. PS, the charging LED light won't flash when the device is powered off. Press the iOS button, the LEDs will flash. Then you will receive a phone call and text. Press button again to end the calling. When you call the device will flash and ring. Press the button to answer the call. Click Find Pet on app, the device will make sounds and the LED will flash. Click Stop Find, the sounds and LED will be off. Or you can press the button to turn off the sound and LED when you find the device. For more details, please contact us.